guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Ahi, and of course welcome to the third episode of this Valentine's Day Fever series. So for today's makeup look, I was thinking to use a more gold and red shades, and to create my eye makeup I will be using this eyeshadow palette from BECCA Cosmetics, which is called Volcano Goddess. I haven't been using this palette so much, and I think today it is like the best chance to do that. Okay, let's begin with the makeup. So firstly, I will prime my face, and I will be using this primer from NYX Cosmetics. I'll just spray it all over my face. If you have been watching my videos, you already know by now that I like to prime my eyes, and I'm always using an eye cream for that. And I will be using this one from ESTEE LAUDER. I will prime my eyelids, and for that I will use this eyeshadow primer from NYX Cosmetics. And just put some of that here on my eyelids. Using a concealer brush, I'll just blend that. Now the first shade that I want to use all over my eyelid, it is called Cloud, and I'll use a fluffier brush, this one by MAC Cosmetics in the number 224, and using the same brush I'll go in and use the Volcanic Sand eyeshadow, and that I will apply it all over my eyelid and buff it up to my brow. Now using an angled crease brush, I have this one by Essence. I will take the shade called Granite, and I will apply it into my crease and on the outer corner of my eye. I will take again a fluffy brush, and with circular motions I will buff the color up to my brow to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. Now by taking a pencil brush, which I will wet a little bit with some Fix Plus, I will take the shade called Lava, and I will apply it on the half part of my lower lashes. And again with another pencil brush, I will take the shade called Gilded and apply it next to Lava. Now I will wet a super thin angle brush, and I am using this one by Zoeva in the number 317. I will take the shade called Midnight Sapphire, and I'll apply it on my upper lashes. Now with some makeup remover, I'll just clean any eyeshadow that fell here on my face. And for foundation, I will be using this liquid foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. For concealer, I am using this one by L'Oreal. I will set my makeup by using a finishing powder, this one by NYX Cosmetics, and I am using a big fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics in the number 1, and I am applying that all over my face. Now to give some color to my face, I will be using this face palette from L'Oreal, which has bronzer, highlighter and blush. It's called GLAM Bronze, and I will apply it on my forehead, cheek hollows, as well on my cheeks and on my jawline. Now for mascara, I will be using this one from LANCOME, and I'll apply it on the upper and lower lashes. And to complete the look, I will be using some lipstick, and I will firstly line my lips by using this lip pencil from GERARD Cosmetics. A swatching video on these lip pencils from them you can find down below, and I'm using today the shade called Immortal. And then for a lipstick, I'm using this lip paint from L'Oreal, and it is a beautiful bright red color. So you guys, this is the final look for today's video, and as you can see, it's very easy to create. Gives like this beautiful glamorous vibes by using red and gold shades. Let me know in the comments below if you like it. Also, as always, I will be linking every product down below, so don't forget to check that out. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with a new makeup look for this Valentine's Day Fever series. Bye!